it's Ashley, like always, and I am going to be starting a new segment with you guys, and I am super excited. If you're already subscribed here, and to my Facebook, I have a page called Perfectly Polished, and it's all about wellness and green living, and mostly my doTERRA. And I kind of want to just talk to you about these two products in particular, which is Purify and Lemon. I want to talk to you about how you can use them from the doTERRA's website, and then how I personally use them, my thoughts, and all that goodness. So this will become a series, as I do have a good assortment, not like most. I definitely have a wish list, and I wish I would have had it with me to kind of show you some things that are on my shorter wish list that I would like to get. I've already marked 2 oils off of that, and I am patiently waiting. I am waiting for a Cobaiba to get here and my new lemon, because unfortunately this is all gone. So, but we will be doing a segment where I either talk about one oil that I personally have, that I've personally used, or I'll do a 2 combo. And I've already did this in the Facebook group today live. So if you are over there, you would have already seen this. But if you are not, then let's get right into this. So first off, I'm going to talk about lemon, and I'm going to go over what the doTERRA site says about lemon, like I said, and then I'll go more into it. And it's just because I can't retain everything. I have a bad memory, and retaining certain things just doesn't work for me. So, yeah. But this is the citrus lemon. It's a cleansing blend of all nature. Very invigorating, tough little cookie for an awesome price. So the description says its uses: you take internally to assist with seasonal respiratory discomfort. You can add lemon oil to a spray bottle of water to clean tables, countertops, and other surfaces. Lemon oil also makes a great furniture polish. Simply add a few drops to olive oil to clean. Protect and shine wood finishes, which is awesome. Use a cloth soaked in lemon oil to preserve and protect your leather furniture and other leather surfaces or garments. Lemon oil is a great remedy for the early stages of tarnish on silver and other metals, diffused to create an uplifting environment. But also this is cleansing, purifying, and invigorating properties of lemon make it one of the most versatile oils, not to mention the most top selling, which I can understand those sorts of things. So I'm going to get down to the price for a 15 milliliter bottle. Retail means if you're not wholesale and you're not a wellness advocate, you're going to pay the normal price with no benefit. So I suggest, if you're going to be buying doTERRA, I really highly suggest, if you don't want to do it as sales, as a wellness advocate to sell, definitely look into it for a wholesale, so you could still get the awesome benefits that doTERRA has. But wholesale, it is $10. In a 15 milliliter bottle, I'm going to put this away for a second, or I'm going to keep talking so I can go ahead and look up Purify really fast so I can tell you those awesome things. But for lemon itself, it's an awesome oil. You can use this as a Goo Gone agent. You've got gum in the hair, you've got sticky stickers everywhere. This is a great oil to get those things off of. That's why when you're using it with your furnitures or your more sensitive fabrics like leather, something that could be very damaged very quickly, always follow with the carrier oils that are suggested. Do not put straight lemon to tabletops or leather. You will ruin it. So just keep that in mind when it says to add coconut oil or olive oil or whatnot when it comes to cleaning those sensitive types of surfaces, that you do mind what the bottle says. So, but in here you get about 250 drops, which would be, if you took it once a day, that would be a long time. But if you're like most people, there's a reason why this is top selling. It is very versatile because you can clean your countertops, you can cook with this, you can diffuse this for mood enhancing benefits. I specifically love cooking with it. I do add it to certain cleaners that I home make. I also will definitely diffuse it for the, you know, the mood enhancing benefits, and it kind of wakes you up, it makes you feel happy, those sorts of things. But cooking is my number one with lemon, and we use lemon with our pancakes. So I'll have to do a video on that one day of my recipe for that. I usually, for like a big batter of pancakes, because we're a big family, if you haven't watched any of my other videos on YouTube, welcome to my channel. I have 4 kids and a husband, and then 2 stepchildren that do come over as much as they can. So we're either full 6 all the time or 8. But anyway, still big batches of stuff. So when I do my pancakes, I usually go really big, and if for some chance I have any batter left over, I will go ahead and cook those pancakes, pop those bad boys in the freezer for another day. But when I do a bigger batch, I'd have to show you my bowl. I'll have to do a video on that. But when I do, I put about 2 drops, if that. Sometimes the second drop escapes and I'm okay. And then I also add, because it's very concentrated, so it's a very strong lemon taste, I usually will add a little bit of sugar, and it has like a lemon sugar cookie kind of taste, which is amazing. But the sugar will help crust up the pancakes. It's awesome. That is like my favorite thing with this oil. As well as making sweet tea with lemon in it. You can put... you can put lemon inside of water to help flavor it, so then that way you're not taking on all the artificial flavorings from other squeezy bottle kind of additives that you can get that would be cheaper but without all the benefits. So this is supposed to help with I'm like my phone's flashing. I don't want to look. Anyway, this will help with digestive discomforts as well. Help with the support of that. And yeah, I love it. It's $10. And I'm waiting for my new one patiently with my cobaiba. Hopefully tomorrow will be the day. I'm fingers crossed because I'm dying to try cobaiba. If you've not watched any of the videos where I've talked about my kids personally, or specifically my son with their ADHD and that sort of thing, this is going to be a big game changer with those symptoms and discomforts they get with that sort of thing. So cobaiba, I'm waiting. But anyway, let's go ahead and get to Purify. And it is also another cleansing blend. So I'll just tell you right off the bat, retail $24, wholesale $18. I actually got this one with points, so it was free. Uses, give me 1 second. I thought I clicked it. I did not. It's a cleansing blend working to replace unpleasant odors and protect against environmental threats. The Purify cleansing blend produces an airy aroma that purifies the air in a natural, safe way. I'm not going to get through all of this. I'll try and put some of the uses and that sort of thing in the description of this video. So if you didn't catch anything or I talk too fast, you'll be able to see. And always my link will be in the description as well. So you can always pop on over to my website and check them out for yourself and see all the other products. But besides that, you diffuse to purify and freshen the air. Freshen smaller rooms or a car by placing a few drops of Purify cleansing oil on a cotton ball and putting it in the air vent. Add 5 drops to a small spray bottle with water and use to wipe down countertops. Use to soothe away irritations from bug bites. Add a few drops to the rinse cycle when doing laundry. Also, it protects against environmental threats, which it actually has lemon peel, which the lemon comes from lemon peel. So these are really great cleansing, mood lifters kind of blends. And if you get Purify, you'll automatically have lemon. I believe though with Purify, aromatic and topical use only. But with lemon, you can do all three. So aromatically, topically, and internally. So even though this has lemon, you won't be able to digest it or take it internally, but you can put it on the bottoms of your feet for a quicker absorption. And you should still be able to get some of those awesome benefits. Now, I love Purify. I use it for many things, and it smells amazing. You definitely get that strong lemon scent, but that's okay with me because I love it. But I use this especially with seasonal threats. So if I know we're going to be in a season where the weather is going to be wonky, or we're going on a trip to Disney, or we're going camping, or anything like that, where our normal environment is going to be affected somehow with change, I definitely will use this to help kind of counteract anything that may bring on not feeling well kind of days, or you know what I mean. So I do that. I have something in my eye. Oh my gosh. I don't know what it is, but it hurts my eye. Anyway, I'm just a mess, guys. I'm a mess. It's 11:58. And I need to fix my diffuser over there so it'll start spraying out the oils that I put in earlier and wants to be a Dodo right now and doesn't want to work for me. Not a Doterra brand one, a Walmart one, but awesome still. Anyway, so back to Purify. So bottoms of the feet for us, like crazy if the kids are already starting to feel a little under the weather. You know, I didn't just miss the train. We're still doing it. I will still put it on them because it will help their recovery time with that sort of thing a lot faster. So I do that. Other ways I use Purify, because normally I just do the bottoms of the feet for that and I diffuse because it smells amazing. I could put it in my cleaners, but I'm like little bit before I'm gone with it, so we're not doing that. I will kind of save this as liquid gold until we really need it, until I can get a new bottle. So that is that for the main topic of this video.